morning, guys. Today is Friday. As of now, I don't have anything solid planned, but I honestly feel like today is going to be one of those spontaneous days, so I wanted to just start vlogging just in case. I really want to take out my braids, but again, because I think it's going to be a spontaneous day, because it's also carnival weekend, and personally I'm not into carnival, but one of my homegirls in town and I low-key want to meet up with her, but she's here for carnival, so she has her weekend plans. So if I will meet up with her, it has to be at the party. I'm not feeling, I don't know. So you see, because I don't know, I'm like, let's see how the day end up. So let's vlog. If you guys are liking my Jamaican vlogs, let me know in the comment section. Like you predicted, I'm going on the road. I am going to my friend's job to keep her company and help her work. So we'll see what that's all about. I'm out here just waiting for my Uber. Look at this view. I cannot get over the view, guys. Watch it. I don't know. I don't know. I wonder if I'm gonna grow old. Like eventually, if this is just going to be so common, so natural. You know, I see it every day, so it's like I'm not as in awe as much anymore. But I feel like because I was in Dallas for so long, you know, I was in Dallas for 5 years. 5 years. I feel like, and like I didn't come to Jamaica because of COVID and stuff. I feel like because I've been away for so long, that's why I'm so frightened right now. But oh my God, I can't stand here all day, all day. So a few of you guys were curious about the roads in Jamaica, like how narrow they are. But I was saying in the live stream, whenever cars are going around corners, they tend to honk, especially the big trucks and stuff. They tend to honk. So if you are a car that's coming in the opposite direction, will know that they're coming, so to stop and allow them to come through. So they have a method. There is a method to this madness. I'm not used to it yet, so I am not going to be driving here anytime soon. I'm observing, and then when I feel comfortable, we can hop into a car and press gas and go around corner and beep, beep. I am at my friend's job. We have vlogged the day. So we stopped at Island Grill. I had Island Grill in the last video and got some soup this time though, so I'm very curious. It came with soup and two festival. So I'm very curious. What kind of soup is that? Red pea soup. So excited to may I eat a festival already. Got 2 soup and 4 festival for less than $10 US. What? I'm gonna show you how big the soup is. It big like my head. What's your man? And 2 of this and 4 festival was less than $10.
Your destination will be on the right.
Listen, what am I done here?
First of all, them for cast is something.
Load up. They're on the construction work side. There is Carib, the theater. Remember when we used to go Carib? Remember we used to go Carib enough though. Didn't we go one time?
Where you used to go?
Remember we used to go watch a movie? But remember we did go
like
watch
a movie like that. Movie's my thing.
Yeah, movie's my thing now. Like daytime movie. Nice.
Well, them have 2 for 1 on
Tuesdays,
Monday and Tuesday, but I can't manage the money. I'm just asleep.
Oh, it's
7 o'clock in the night. By the time I come out a movie at 11:30, I could have
So what time are the 2 for 1 on Tuesdays?
5:30.
You have been redirected.
Good morning, y'all. Lovely Saturday morning. Look at this view from this kitchen. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. All right, y'all. So today is Saturday. The last clip you saw, I was hanging out with my friend. Honestly, we left her job. We went to her house. We just chat. And then I came back up. So not to vlog. So I decided, let me make this a weekend vlog then. So I can actually have something of substance to watch. Because literally all y'all would have seen me is drinking that soup as I was editing the vlog, I was like, dang, I didn't even show y'all the soup and the festival. But that is how hungry I was. That is how hungry I was. Okay, so pardon me. Next time I go Island Grill and get soup, which there'll definitely be a next time, I will show you guys. All right, y'all, literally the friend who I was talking about, yesterday, the one who is in town for carnival, literally she just called me. So I think I want to go out with her tonight. You know, it's my homegirl from Dallas, and I'm like, I'm in Jamaica, she's in Jamaica, we should at least hang out one time. So I think I might go with her tonight. I need to get something to wear then. I will try to remember to vlog and let y'all know what a Saturday in Jamaica is like for me. Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to go on the road. I just want to meet up with my friend real quick and don't have no solid plans yet. I still haven't decided if I want to go to the party. Still haven't decided if I'm going to party yet. But I do have time. It is what? Not even 12 o'clock yet. It's minutes to 12. And the party now starts till 7. And that's what they say. They say they're going to start at 7. But no, for sure, so them not start at no 7 o'clock. So I do have a good little minute to decide if I'm going to go. But then also I would have to get an outfit because I didn't really bring no going out clothes like that. I bring mostly gym clothes and beach clothes. So I don't know. I guess you'll just have to continue watching the vlog to see if I made it outside tonight. Champion fly. Work hard every day till we reach to the goal. It's a for the people that we work hard. On to the man. R.I.P. to a loved one. Your cups them high. Like the feeling inside. Going on a higher side. Looks up, everything is nice.
How much are the plum?
4 bills for the bag.
4 bills for one bag?
Yeah, 1 dozen in the bag.
That pricey though. So with it in on a 2 bills bag?
No baby fees.
Alright, give me one bag.
Plastic bag. Alrighty.
If on a king cam show this not show
Alright.
good better. Let's see it free.
Hey pizza lovers, ready to
Yeah,
go
give me a dollar then. Give me one
to
$10.
do at
Yeah,
Domino's.com.am.
Long time I didn't eat plum. Oh my god. We're at that one house now. We're known for its ice cream, but we're here for patty because apparently it has the curry gold patty. So I want to try that. Oh yeah. Because it not have as much push. It's like you try it one time. I think it's what is this again? Isn't it pudding? Yeah. Got the curry goat patty. Oh, you can see the curry. Can see the curry on the bag. Oh, this curry. This patty is shaped different than usual patty. This is patty hot. Look at my assistant. This patty shape a little different than regular patty. To the inside of curry goat.
Well seasoned up.
Nice. So we got 2 patty, and Xavier wanted the banana bread, so
Right.
we get the banana bread. Two curry goat patty and a banana pudding for $15. Little over 15 US. This patty a little bit more expensive than regular patty because the beef patty there was 550 and this patty was 900. Obviously because of the goat.
Premium.
Yeah, premium meat, premium belly. But for 2 patty and a pastry for a little bit, say $16. Yeah. I'm gonna bite a little bit more so you can see the goat.
Sorry, ice cream.
It's hot, yes. Run it to an errand. Jamaica is a whole entire vibe. Why this clothing store playing random loud music? On a random Saturday, you can stand up on the corner and hold a vibe. Hmm?
But man, no for broke. Crush some light and pop. Yeah, guess who was? Walks that carry no. Find out what I mean that we don't want no. Action movie, I want starring you. So much time could I pull a cup ring. But me no want no bigness, no me no mind thing. And I don't give up. We call us men. Come pretty this. Big me no want love my man, them black and rich. Let's see when the liquor start. Sunny now go after 12. Work me a work as you can tell. Dance for the then go pay my bills. Let me clap me proud of myself. Enough money make me broke out of my shell. Put in the year me dip on my head. Make it start rain just like I said. I'ma put on my clothes and go my bed. Try it up with my ring. Act like you got some sense. Your body like this so me figure. You have a bless that. Dig what's up. I got some of that you can. Cash but man no broke. Crush something like.
This is like a Home Depot.
Or give me, how much is it, boy? How much are the hurricanes, Jack? Give me a try, boy.
Out here, walking dog. About to wrap up the day. I'm not telling you that was my long day. Look on the mountain view, man. Yes.
It was fun. Everybody must know coming the only person that go there. When go back.
What a view, man. Look at that mountain view. You saw him bark all along and when we get close him shut up. Watch him. And you see the stick? At least it's not hot. That's one thing I must say. It hasn't been hot since I've been here. Not ridiculously hot. The dog can bark over here so do Jano style. No, sir. My gosh. This is World War III back there so with the dog them. But them dog are coward, man. Them dog are one of the dogs.
On the street like that. So
Yeah.
people know if them did bad, them would lock up like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
The ones that were bad, or goat them, yeah.
Cause oh look on the go. But I like it for curry too, right? About
I remember seeing them.
but the goat them just a chill. What's your
But
What's the look on? On the area, area the book one. Like it's not that serious, people. It's not that serious. No sir, no sir. Watch them. No sir, I can't do this. I can't not sign up for this on backside.
let me use them one day. You know, take up a stone. You know what I'm playing is I will try.
That was an experience. If you ever want to witness
Well,
what
you
it's
did,
like.
but them smell fair.
I'm gonna know if you do. I'm gonna know.
Just take up a stone.
A long time, me not have a stone dog, okay?
What was that next one to it when you back in it?
Yeah. He might come out. No, so the dog them rush with just now, people. Oh my. No, sir. I the man, but the man they come and I try help. Jeez. The dog that bark and watch him go back in. Watch him go back inside. Dog, go inside, go back. Come out if you're bad. Come out.
You wasn't running or something. I don't know.
Come out if you're bad.
I don't even know why you're telling me.
Watch him go come back out. Watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him. Watch him, watch him. Hey, him pull the gate and come on. Them dog they just talk bad. Them not bad. Them not bad. So I didn't show you guys the bread pudding that I got. See, my I had gotten the curry goat and the bread pudding. Tastes good. Kind of have like a rum and raisin taste to it. I need to get back to my diet. Again, we're intermittent fasting. Grocery shopping time. The little boy at the fan box for a good little while now. Wonder when they're in a life. Good morning. It is Sunday. Happy Sunday. We're taking the dog to the vet. Oh, that's crazy. Bubbles. Heading to the vets with the pop-up. Say hi, Bubbles. Bubbles run up back at chill. Bubbles have a view. Into character, tell her try this, I got stamina. Bust a wine for me, till me drop. From your reach, just so what you want. Your jeans pants too tight, babe, take it off. Me a sing when he might get up proud. Whole night in control. Big cash out, I got some of that shit. Cash pay, cash bad man, nothing broke. Crush up, then light and fall. So apparently if you rescue an animal, you can take them here and they'll give them free vaccines and stuff. I misspoke, y'all. It's not free. It's just way more affordable than other places. And I guess this is a way for the government to get a lot of stray dogs off the road, because I'm sure you guys have noticed the amount of stray dogs that's on the road. Stray dogs in stray animal in general, because a lot of stray cats as well, but a lot of stray dogs on the road in Jamaica. So I guess this is a way to something they implemented to kind of lower that, which is good. Look at the government doing things. So apparently it's not free, but it's affordable. So affordable vet care. It's called the JSPCA. I just Google it and forget already. But I'll tag the name in this video if anybody's that curious. For animal and prevention of animal cruelty or something like that. But it's still a cool little thing. As I was saying, there are a lot of stray dogs on the road. So this is a cool little incentive to get them off. Yeah, I'ma see. Hey Bubbles! Hey Bubbles! Say hi to the vlog! Say hi vlog! So Bubbles was a stray. We will say Bubbles was a stray. And Tavia saved him from his mommy. Hi, Bubbles. Oh, he being a good boy. No,
He's not.
not really. Talk to you soon. Good job. So we're just leaving the vet. We got here like around 9:15 and now it's 11 o'clock. So it take what, 9, 10, 11? 2 hours? Almost 2 hours. So we go ahead and get something to eat. I'm feeling for a patty. Since I've been here, I would juicy beef patty, you know. I know, so I juicy beef my neighbor shrink up man. Yeah.
I'm not looking for
Taste is line long.
on a Sunday.
On a Sunday, can you imagine? Remember when them store they never open on Sunday? Listen, Jamaica fast food is not fast. Okay, you still have to wait.
If you say you go KFC, you have a minimum 1 hour.
Yeah.
Minimum.
Yeah. That's what I noticed.
Me not go KFC. I do not go to. Nobody can tell me for me not go KFC. Period.
The thing is,
me not have the time.
if you want grab something quick, you're
dead for hungry.
Yeah, you can find people a road up.
I bet you
snack
and buy one snack or peanut or something, but do not think say.
To grab something quick.
Fast food.
If you're gonna say I'm pulling over here, nah. Hold on, when we're pulling,
and this supposed to be a drive-thru. It's crazy. Sometimes I got to drive-thru. The speaker doesn't now work. You have to wait till I reach your best for say your order, and it's crazy.
No.
Like the drive-thru are doing it for. I'll probably come buy food from them all the while. Pop, the place where you order not working. So you still anyways are one person still a cashier and get the money, give the food, place the order.
Correct about no more stripe at twist.
1, 2, 3. There's 4 more people in front of us.
Oh, that truck there at the window?
They're the window for
that solar panel. Them put up so them not have no GPS bill. Then over this so them not have no GPS bill, them safe and them light bill. Smart. Them should have lowered the price of patty since them are safe and them light bill.
okay.
I got
even have on
patty.
seatbelt.
I got patty and food. When I get to the house, I'll show you guys what the food look like. But right about now, I'm gonna devour the patty. Yeah. Patty taste still. Not fresh. All right, just skin back. I had the patty, but I want to taste a little bit of the. It's no food. Oh my god! Look how much food. Look how much rice. No, so this can't feed our whole family. How am I going with so much rice? So for this amount of food, and a patty came up to $1,300, which is about $8. Sent round up to $9 because it's $8.60 US for this amount of food and a patty for $9. Yeah, but let us try it and see. I had gotten spicy fried chicken with spicy, so enough rice. Oh my god. Look good. No, look how much rice. Cause when you move the chicken, you know. What rice? What rice? This can literally for your whole family. This can meal prep me for like 3 days, 4 days. This amount of rice can meal prep me for 4 days. Hey y'all, so I am back. I don't even remember what the last footage you guys would have seen of me, but I'm back to this view. Look at this view. Oh my gosh, the view. I take out my hair I've been singing. I want to take out my hair. This is hairstyle is not a hairstyle where you keeping too long. Okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the weekend video. Didn't do much. Didn't do much, but show you guys my. This is technically my first weekend in Kingston, because last weekend I spent it in St. Mary with family. Last weekend was Easter weekend. So this is technically my first weekend in Kingston. So y'all get to see what Kingston weekend. Oh, and you guys saw that I did not end up at that party. I know I was not going to go to that party. Listen, I am partied out. Shout out to everybody who reached post 30 and can still party. But that is not me. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna finish taking out my hair and enjoy my view, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to let me know, let YouTube know, say you like this kind of content, let YouTube know you enjoy my Jamaican videos by hitting the like button and leaving something in the comment section. Even if you say big up yourself, even if you say Jamaica to the world, even if you say what is mangoes, any one of them things that you can say in a comment section, and that will make YouTube know, say, oh great, these are great content. This is great content, so let me go ahead and continue. Anyways, y'all, take care. I'll see you guys next time. Big up yourself.
Jamaica, Jamaica.